Welcome back to my channel guys, สวัสดีครับ In this video I will show you how to make my favorite tropical smoothie. We will also learn basic vocabulary and pronunciation. So let's begin. วันนี้มาทำสมูทตี้กันนะครับอร่อยมาก Apple Apple Red Mango Mango Blueberry Blueberry Blueberries อร่อย Strawberry Strawberries Banana Banana Yellow Banana Watermelon Watermelon Green Green Pineapple Pineapple Yellow and green Wash Wash Shake Shake Peel 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 by hand Ripe fruit Cut 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 the apple Yesterday I cut Now I am cutting Tomorrow I will cut Peel 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 with a knife Very good Cut Slice 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 เก่งมาก I am peeling with a knife กำลัง present continuous tense Put in the bowl in This watermelon is juicy. Wow! That's right, slice. Aroy. Put on the plate. On.เก่งมาก cut pick up the pieces pick up the pieces ginger it's good for energy dice dice chop chop ingredients ingredients desire desire drop, drop, toss, toss, toss them in, fill, fill the blender, sprinkle, sprinkle, this is my favorite, honey and vanilla. Scoop the yogurt, scoop. More please. Looks good. Blend, blend, cut out. I forgot to add ice. Spill. I made a mess. Uh-oh. Pour. Pour. Straw. It's finished. There we have it guys, a thick and delicious smoothie that's rich in vitamins and electrolytes. It's so easy to make and it's perfect for a hot summer day. Enjoy! Let's drink. ขอบคุณนะครับ